Continuing coverage now, Virginia Democrats are looking at some of their options regarding redistricting after the state Supreme Court struck down last month's vote, the referendum, saying that the proper process was not followed. Our Joe St. George is joining us now live on this. Joe, good morning to you. A very volatile story, if you will. A lot of people weighing in from both sides of the aisle. Can you give us some perspective on where the story goes from here after Friday's ruling?
Well, you know, conservatives and Republicans watching us this morning are saying, we told you so, right? We told you, Democrats, that this was unconstitutional, this was too aggressive. Obviously, they're applauding what has transpired in recent days here. Democrats, meanwhile, they spent the weekend huddling to talk about options, to talk about the path forward, which is including an appeal to the United States Supreme Court. Now, this is a ticking clock, right? I mean, it is May. We have primaries in a few months, the elections in November. How quickly will the Supreme Court even allow for something, an appeal to be heard? I think it's a very big question mark. Obviously, Democrats want some finality here, and the Supreme Court has been lenient, depending for partisan drawing of maps in other states. Could they reflect that here? But again, this is complicated, right? You're dealing with state constitutional amendments, state laws, state Supreme Court. Certainly far from being a home run appeal to the U.S. Supreme Court, especially with the conservative-leaning high court of the land. Governor Abigail Spanberger, in her statement on social media following the ruling coming out, saying that she was disappointed by the ruling, but her focus as governor will be on ensuring that all voters have the information necessary to make their voices heard this November in the midterm elections. We'll wait to see exactly how aggressive may Democrats get there. I've heard from some progressives in Virginia who are saying, well, maybe they need to go after the Virginia Supreme Court and change the justices. This is a familiar refrain that you often hear from the political left and right when you don't get a ruling that you don't particularly like. But it is a ticking clock now for any type of option for Democrats, which is including an appeal again to the U.S. Supreme Court. I've also heard from my sources who are saying, you know what, fine, let's go with the old maps, if you will, and let's just try to win it the old-fashioned way at the battle box. You are talking about an environment so far, if you look at the polls, that's going to be very favorable to Democrats. So you look at Congresswoman Jen Kagan's district, for instance. I mean, this is a district that's gone back between Republicans and Democrats in recent years. Democrats feel like they have a pretty good shot to do it the old-fashioned way, if you will. Obviously, Republicans have more of a chance given the major ruling from the Virginia Supreme Court.
And Joe, I know you mentioned your contacts. You have a lot of them in Richmond after you worked there yourself. So following up on a big story once again for us this morning. Yeah. I appreciate your time.
Massive story.
It is 6:50 now.